Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've got your tools and a helper if needed. Start by lifting the door slightly and unhooking it from the bottom track. Once the door is supported, remove the visible faceplate screws and gently pry the handle assembly free. Keep parts ordered so reassembly is simple, and wipe out debris with a rag to expose the lock mechanism. You're doing this to see seized parts and worn pins. Identifying visible damage now saves time later and directs the exact replacement steps. Now inspect. Move the actuator to watch the cam and latch engagement while you operate the handle. If pins or springs are bent, remove them with the correct driver and install exact replacements. You want the same length and tension. Clean corrosion with a brush, then blow out grit and apply a light spray lubricant to pivots and rollers to restore smooth motion. Make sure mounting screws sit flush. Loose screws let the mechanism bind, so torque them snugly while testing the action repeatedly. Once components are replaced and lubricated, reattach the handle and faceplate, then carefully lower the door back into the track and align rollers. Test the lock through its full cycle at least 10 times to confirm consistent engagement and smooth release. Listen for rubbing or skipping. If the latch fails to seat, adjust the striker plate or move the roller assembly slightly until the catch lines up. If the mechanism still sticks after alignment and new parts, you likely need a full lock assembly replacement. That's the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.